Can you please do someone from the Oshawott line? Bet. I got you, fam. All right, so I decided to go with Samurott because out of the three, Oshawott is the cutest. Dewott, is kind of the awkward stage. Samurott is just so cool. I decided to go with a Hisuian Samurott today, actually, if you couldn't tell already. The sword was really cool because, honestly, I looked up some pictures of what the sword actually looked like, and I couldn't really find a clear picture, so I'm assuming that Hisuian Samurott has a jagged-like sword because, I mean, it's a dark type. Why wouldn't you have like a crazy gnarly sword that can cut the crap out of you? But yeah, kind of like everything else, I kind of made it shiny, like the sword, like you could see the little fing fing fings on there. I don't know what you would call those, but I think it turned out pretty freaking awesome. All right, hope you enjoy.